Let's fix the Instagram Explore page. Now, if you're seeing the Explore page and it's just not showing you the content that you want to see, or it's not loading things correctly, I'm going to show you how to fix that. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. So let's hop into Instagram here, and I can tap the Explore page, just the search icon at the bottom left. Now, basically what this does is Instagram and its algorithm compiles all kinds of different content, posts and reels that it thinks you might want to see. And these are based on accounts that you follow, what you search, what you view, what you like, all of those different things. Now, if you want to fix this and get it basically back on track, maybe you're seeing all kinds of content that you don't want to see, I'll show you a couple of tricks. The first and easiest thing to do is you can basically say that you're not interested in some things and you are interested in other things. So say if you want to see more cars, you can tap and hold on the car. You don't even have to watch it and hit like. But you maybe don't want to see as much of these yard things. You can tap on hold in that and hit not interested. So by doing that, basically scrolling through this list and saying like on some posts and not like on some other ones, it will give the algorithm an idea of the type of content that you do and don't want to see on the Explore page. So once you go through that list, basically keep scrolling down, like, and hit not interested on a bunch of different things. You can then refresh, just swipe down to refresh, and this should update in terms of the content that it shows you. So keep doing that basically as long as you need to until it shows you the exact same content that you want to see on here. You can either like or not interested. Now, if it's just not working at all, maybe this Explore page is not loading, the other thing that you'll want to do is maybe go into a web browser here and we'll just type in a speed test. And make sure you run a speed test. Make sure you have fast enough internet connection to be able to see that Explore page if it's not loading correctly or not working correctly. Of course, another thing that you can do is let's just type is Instagram down. And then we can go here and check and make sure that Instagram is not down and their servers are not down. But by both doing the speed test and seeing if these servers are down, you get a good idea of whether there's an underlying issue with that Explore page beyond just kind of customizing what type of content you want to see. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.